It's me again, and me, and me, and me. Today's video is about two little tools I bought. I already installed one of them on the milling machine, and these things right here are made by TECHNIKS USA. I don't know where they're made. Doesn't say where they're made. I picked up two more ER32 collet blocks, and if you open one, yeah. This one is a 1/4 inch. So now I have three of them. I don't even know if I have enough things here, but they are nice. That's 1/4 inch hole. They fit in my milling machine because I changed it. Stick a finger in there and pop it out. Don't drop it. I got these ones on sale. See, this one is read what it says in the box.
I don't know what it says.
Look right here. I'll show you. See? What does that say? 3/8. 3/8. 3/8, and the little 2 dots there. That's an inch. They say 3/8 of an inch. See? That's what we're reading. So what's that say? E. What's that one?
R.
What's that number?
32.
ER32. See that? Say ER32 collet.
Yeah, 32 collet.
These are called collet blocks.
Collet block.
Yep. And they are called, what are they called again? Spring collets. Yeah, there we go. Good thing I read the box. Anyway, I got two more for my milling machine. She's got stuff. You want to see it? They're nice and shiny. Awesome. Woo! Anyway, that's basically my new little toys. You'll see these in upcoming videos because I have a few things I want to make. I have to reset the
Video.
No, I have to why do I always forget? The vise, I have to square it so it's square. So when you run stuff down the vise, it doesn't crooked. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and to all the 1,000 people out there who subscribe, you're all awesome.
Make sure this lady isn't watching you when you're sleeping.
Videos get interesting. Put kids in them. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Bye. Wave goodbye, girls. Bye. Bye.